No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home. It's been a long night here and a long night there, and these long, long legs are damn near everywhere. Hold up, now you look good. I will not lie, but if you ask where I'm staying tonight, I gotta be like, oh baby, no baby, you got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bring you a dude to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. Now better men than me have failed, drinking from that unholy grail. Now check it out, I got her and she got me, and you got that ass, but I kindly gotta be like, oh baby, no baby, you got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bring you a dude to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. Oh, sure you will make somebody's night. But oh, are you sure as hell's not mine? Oh no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bring you a dude to another. I will stay. No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bring you a dude to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true.
Let's learn Honey, I'm Good. It's choreographed by Adrian Lefebour and Jessica Lamb. It is listed as a 64 count 2-wall low intermediate level line dance. The main portion of the dance is 48 counts. That is what you will dance every single wall. The tag that happens twice on the ends of walls 2 and 4 is 16 counts, which will create a 64 count dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about our tag and practice it, and then we're going to do 5 walls of the dance so you can do both tags and dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Honey, I'm Good. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right heel, you're going to tap it into the right diagonal. You're going to bring your right knee up doing a hitch and clap your hands. Put your right heel down, bring your right knee up, hitch and clap your hands. We're now going to do a weave, right behind, left side, right cross. Now we're going to repeat that same exact thing with our left foot. Tap your left heel into the diagonal, hitch and clap. Left heel into the diagonal, hitch and clap, and do your weave, behind, side, cross. Let's try section 1 with some counts. Heels, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot rocking forward, recover onto your left and do a right shuffle back, stepping back, right, left, right. You're now going to take your left foot, step it back, rocking back, recover onto your right foot and shuffle forward with your left, left together, left. Let's try section 2 with some counts, rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're gonna step forward with our right foot. You're gonna make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. Now you're gonna do that again, stepping forward with the right, quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. And now we're going to do a jazz box with a step together, crossing our right over our left foot back, right side, left together. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot to start section 3. We're doing 2 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're gonna shuffle into the right diagonal, or 730 when we're using the front wall, shuffling right, left, right. You're now gonna shuffle with the left foot into the opposite diagonal, or 430, shuffling left, right, left. You're facing 430, you're gonna rock forward with your right foot, recover onto your left, and do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. That all happens into the 430 diagonal. So let's try section 4 with some counts. Shuffling into the right diagonal with the right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5, we're gonna step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a pivot over your right shoulder. It's gonna be slightly more than a quarter. You're gonna end up at 9 o'clock, pivoting onto that right foot. You're now going to do a left shuffle forward, shuffling left, right, left. You're gonna step forward with your right foot, make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. We're now gonna continue that turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot, and stepping a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're doing your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 cross points, stepping our right foot forward and slightly across our left, point your left toe to the side, step your left foot forward and slightly across your right, point your right toe to the side. Now we're going to do a jazz box cross, crossing our right over our left foot back, right side, left over right, end of dance. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're facing 6 o'clock. We're gonna do our 2 cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start your heel hitches into the diagonal. And that is the whole main part of the dance. So let's turn around, let's practice it one time through with steps and counts, and then we'll talk about that tag. Is on your left foot, ready to start with your right. We're going heel hitch, behind side cross, heel hitch, behind side cross, right rock, recover, right shuffle, back left, rock, back, recover, left shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, jazz box, step together, diagonal shuffle with the right, diagonal shuffle left, diagonal rock and coaster step, step, quarter pivot, shuffle forward with the left, step, half pivot, half quarter, cross point, and jazz box with a cross. That's the whole dance. Now let's do it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your right heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now that is the whole dance. So walls 2 and 4 are our back walls. You're going to dance 32, 48 on our front wall, 48 on our back. When we come from the back wall, you're going to add on a tag. So we're going to do a shuffle rock to the right, shuffling right together, right, rock back, recover. Now we're going to shuffle to the left, shuffling left together, left. You're going to touch your right toe behind your left. and you're gonna make a half unwind over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. Let's try that part with some counts. Shuffling to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2 of our tag, we're going to do left and right toe struts. You're going to touch that left toe forward, drop your heel, right toe forward, drop your heel. You're going to step forward with your left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. Step forward with your left and scuff your right heel, ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try that last part with some counts. We just did our touch, behind, unwind. So weight's on your right foot. We're doing our toe strut with our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. So let's practice this tag through. One time with steps, one time with counts. Shuffling to the right, shuffle right together, right, rock back, recover, shuffle left, touch, half unwind. Left toe strut, right toe strut, step, half pivot, step, scuff. Let's try it with some count. Shuffling to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. It will happen twice, each time facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around on the front wall. I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'll do counts. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so you can practice both tags. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heels. Heel, hitch, weave. Heel, hitch, weave. Rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, shuffle forward. 2 quarter pivots. Jazz box, step together. Diagonal shuffle with the right. Diagonal shuffle left. Rock, recover, coaster step. Step, quarter pivot, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, half back, quarter side. Cross point, jazz box with a cross. Now your heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add your tag, shuffle, rock back, recover, side shuffle, half touch, unwind. Left toe, strut, right toe, strut, step, half, step, scuff, start over, heel, hitch, weave. Heel, hitch, weave, rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, shuffle forward. 2 quarter pivots, jazz box. Diagonal shuffle right and left. Rock, recover, coaster step. Step, quarter pivot, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, half and a quarter. Cross point and jazz box. Now your heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add your tag. Side shuffle, rock back, recover, side shuffle, touch, unwind. Left toe, strut, right toe, strut, step, half pivot, step, scuff. Now your heel, hitch, weave. Heel, hitch, weave. Rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, shuffle forward. 2 quarter pivots. Jazz box. Diagonal shuffle right and left. Rock and coaster step into the diagonal. Step, quarter pivot, shuffle forward. Step, half quarter, cross point, and jazz box with a cross. And that is the whole dance. After you do those 2 tags, the rest of the dance, you would just dance the 48 counts, and you have nothing else to worry about. I hope this helps you learn Honey, I'm Good. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.